All right, so let's continue with the calculation of our first quartile, second quartile, and third quartile. And also we will look at the interquartile range, the ranges of the various columns that we have, and then the standard deviation. So without wasting my time, let's move into it. Now, remember I told you in the previous video that before you find the quartile of any particular range of values, you have to sort it from A to Z so that you have the data arranged or the range arranged from A to Z. So let's do that. Let's do that. There is an option here you will notice that you can actually use to sort only the range, that is the particular column that you are looking at. But I choose to use the sheet so that when this one is sorted, it goes along with all the other corresponding values. Now I'll go to my central tendency and spread sheet here. So I enter my equal sign to reference the function I want to use. Now I want to use the quartile. I choose it. Now, where do I want to take my data from? I'm taking it from my import sheet. So I'll put in import, and then I put exclamation sign to reference that particular sheet. Now let me go to the particular range of values I want to use, which is C2 to C214. So this is it. Now I put a comma here, a space, and then I put 1. This means I'm looking for the first quartile. So it's the same formula for first, second, and third. You only have to change the number at the end of it. So because in the next calculation, I'll be using this particular expression, which is the range of values I'm referencing to, I will copy it, Control C or Command C. Now, when I'm done, I will now press Enter, and then I have my values in there. Now, I'll come here and then do the second calculation. I'll put my equal sign, my quartile, choose my quartile. Oh, something else was chosen for me. That's not what I'm looking for. So I will replace this with what I copied. Remember, we copied something. So we are looking for actually import C2 to what? C214. And then we are doing for the second quartile. So I will choose the second quartile and then I enter, and this is what I get. I'll go to the third quartile. I put my equal sign. I put my quartile, and then what I've copied, I'll just insert it and comma space. Now we are choosing, or we are calculating the third quartile, so I put 3 in there, and then boom, I have my third quartile. Now, what are my interquartile ranges? The interquartile range is your third quartile minus the first quartile. So equal to or enter, and then you have it. Now, what about our standard deviation for the range of values? So we put our function reference, we go to ST, and then you have a couple of standard deviation functions over here. But let's choose this one because this one deals with population, and we are doing population calculation. So I will choose this. Now, what is the range of values I'm choosing the standard deviation for? Remember, we have copied it, so I'll paste it here, and then that is it. I'll just press Enter, and I have my standard deviation also. In the similar manner, we can do for all these ranges, like from here. Now, remember, this is column C. The pop end is on column C, and this is column D. So when you are calculating the next one, you have to reference values in column D2 to D214. And then you go to the next one all the way E2 to E214, all the way to your standard deviation. So we continue in our next video. Thank you.